Hey guys, so last time I showed you how to do some basic weekly maintenance of the iRobot Roomba 800 series, and we noticed in that video that I have this blinking flashing signal here, which indicates that the bin is full, but actually if we look into the bin it's fairly empty. So I set out to try and figure out why it actually still blinks even though it's been emptied. So there we have it, still flashing. So what you want to do to remove this error is to do some little extra cleaning of the sensors in the bin. These are the outside sensors, and there are some inside sensors as well. And then also on the robot itself, we have these small pins here. So what you want to do is grab a damp cloth like this and just clean it the best you can of any dirt or grit, dust from many years of service. So maybe you could do this every other week or so. There you go. And the same on the outside of the bin. Clean it the best we can. Make sure it's dry. Doesn't look that bad on the outside here, but on the inside it's actually fairly dirty. So I'm going to try and remove that. Maybe even we need to get a cotton pen in there or something. Let's see. I don't actually know how these sensors work, but supposedly they're able to see that there's dust. Great. There you go. That looks fairly clean now. Let's see. Can we get a little more clean? Okay. Let's put it back together. Back in, see what happens. There we have it. No more blinking sign saying empty bin. Well done. Thanks for watching.